island using this drawing. Let's do it. We need to assemble sonar ship. Keep it up. First, we have to fill it. Sonar ship. Pump. Done. Let's measure the depth. It's time to head for the port. We're approaching a coral reef. Left rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast to clear the way. There's an island on our way. Right rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. Wow, a new sticker! Hooray! First, we need to assemble diving boat. Ready. Filling. Diving boat. Press the pump. That's all. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Amazing! Let's explore the bottom. It's a sticker! We did it! Let's assemble a stacker ship and a barge. Hooray! Now we need to fill it. Stacker ship. Press the pump. Ready. And now, let's load the materials into blue barge. Hooray! Let's lay large gabions. Don't stop! First, we need to assemble red barge. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Keep it up. And now, let's load the materials into Red Barge. Done. Let's add a rock layer. Hooray! First, let's assemble a crane ship and a barge. Done! First, we have to fill it. Crane ship. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. You're doing really great. Let's put the middle gabions. And now we will be heading to the port. Attention! Another ship is directly ahead. Hold. There is a coral reef ahead. Right rudder. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. First, let's assemble a dredger and a barge. Keep it up. Filling. Dredger. Press the... We did it! Let's load the materials into Yellow Barge. Hooray! Let's fill in the island. Don't stop. We have to assemble. Transporter ship. Keep up the good work. Filling. Transporter ship. Pump. Keep up the good work. We will add a fertile soil layer. And now, let's repair. We need to clean the chain and anchor. Let's drag the spray gun to paint the chain and anchor. Keep it up. Look, it's a sticker! Keep up the good work. First, we need to assemble. Container ship. Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Container ship. Pump. Hooray! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Amazing! Let's load the materials into container ship. Don't stop. Now we'll plant the grass. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Don't stop. Now we need to fill it. Ship carrier. Pump. You're doing really great. Now we'll bring plants to the island. We need to wash. Ship carrier. done! We need to assemble a crane ship and a cargo ferry. Keep up the good work. Now we need to fill it. Cargo ferry. Press the pump. Keep it up. It remains to put the house. You've managed to build a real island. Now someone can live here. Tropical climate is very hot. Let's build a sea cafe with cool drinks for guests. First, we need to assemble garbage collector. Keep it up. Filling garbage collector. Pump. Amazing! Let's clean up the trash. It's time to head for the port. Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Pull the lever down. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. An island directly ahead. Right rudder. Hooray! We've sailed into the port. Wow, a new sticker! We did it! We need to assemble split barge. Keep it up. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Amazing! And now, let's load the materials into split barge. Keep up the good work. Let's make the island base. Wow, a new sticker! We did it! assemble a stacker ship and a barge. We did it! First, we have to fill it. Stacker ship. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's build the breakwaters. It's time to sail to the port. Let's overcome obstacles on the way. An island, right, rudder? Look, there's another ship right in front of us. Sound a blast so it'll notice us. There are rocks directly ahead, right, rudder? Hooray! We've sailed into the port. First, let's assemble a dredger and a barge. Keep up the good work. Filling, dredger. Press the pump. Done! Let's fill in the island. And now, let's repair. Let's straighten the screw. You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Container ship. We did it! Now we need to fill it. Container ship. Pump. Done! Let's load the materials into container ship. Ready. Let's reinforce the shores. assemble. Ship carrier. Hooray! First, we have to fill it. Ship carrier. Press the pump. Amazing! Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Done! Let's add some plants. Now we need to wash it clean. Ship carrier. You're doing really great. We need to assemble a crane ship and a cargo ferry. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Crane ship. Pump. Keep up the good work. Let's build a sea cafe. Let's repair. Crane ship. Let's clean the chain and anchor from rust. And now let's cover the chain and anchor with protective paint. Done! We have to assemble blue barge. Don't stop. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Hooray! Let's load the materials into blue barge. Keep up the good work. Let's build the pier. It's time to head for the port. Rocks on the horizon. Right rudder. There's an island on our way. Right rudder. There is a coral reef ahead. Left rudder. Great! We got past all the obstacles. And now let's repair. Red, we need to straighten the screw. First, we have to fill it. Red barge! Press the pump. Don't stop. Let's accommodate the crew on the ship. Keep it up. And now, let's load the materials into Red Barge. Ready. Let's place the electrical cabinet. We need to assemble cable laying ship. Keep it up. Philip, cable laying ship. Pump. Keep it up. Let's connect the electricity. Let's wash cable laying ship. Done! Wow, a new sticker! Keep up the good work. And now, let's repair. Let's weld a crack on the ship. Let's sand the welding seam. And now let's paint the stain. Hooray! Let's load the materials into Yellow Barge. That's all. Let's prepare for the guests. The construction of the